Every probability you'll ever compute rests on just 3 simple rules. But first, 2 pieces of vocabulary: the sample space and the event. The sample space is just the set of every possible outcome of an experiment. Roll a die, and the sample space is 1 through 6, every number it could land on. An event is any subset of those outcomes. Take the event rolling an even number. That's just the set 2, 4, and 6. An event is nothing more than a collection of outcomes we've decided to care about. Here's the entire foundation, due to Kolmogorov. 3 rules. 1. The probability of any event is never negative. 2. The probability of the whole sample space is exactly 1. Something always happens. 3. If 2 events can't happen at the same time, they're disjoint. Their probabilities simply add together. That's it. That's the entire axiomatic foundation of probability theory. Everything else is just a consequence of those 3 rules. The probability of the impossible event is 0. The probability of not A is 1 minus the probability of A. If A sits inside B, then A can't be more likely than B. And when 2 events overlap, add their probabilities, then subtract the overlap so you don't double count it. Let's check that last one on our die. Let A be even, 3 outcomes, and B be greater than 3, also 3 outcomes. Their overlap, 4 and 6, is 2 outcomes. Add the 2 probabilities, then subtract the overlap, 4/6. And listing A or B directly, 2, 4, 5, 6, is 4 outcomes out of 6. It matches. 3 simple rules. Every other fact in probability theory is built out of them.